Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how the Affirm virtual card works, and most importantly, whether you can get cash from it and what your real options are. If you're new to Affirm and a bit confused, don't worry, I'll keep this super simple. Affirm is a buy now, pay later service. Instead of paying full price upfront, Affirm lets you split payments into monthly installments. The Affirm virtual card is a temporary digital card you can use online or in stores, with mobile wallet to pay for approved purchases. It's designed for shopping, not like a normal bank debit card. Let's clear this up. You cannot directly withdraw cash from an Affirm virtual card like you would from an ATM, bank transfer, cash advance. Affirm blocks cash withdrawals in anything that looks like ATM usage, sending money to yourself, peer-to-peer transfers like PayPal, friends and family, buying gift cards in many cases. Why? Because Affirm loans are meant for retail purchases, not giving you cash. There is no official or recommended method to convert an Affirm virtual card into direct cash. Trying tricks you see online can get the transaction declined, cancel your loan, suspend your Affirm account. So be careful. But here are legitimate alternatives if you actually need money instead of a product. Even though you can't withdraw cash, you can use Affirm for groceries, some stores, electronics, furniture, travel bookings, medical or dental payments, select providers. This frees up the money you would have spent, which helps your cash situation. This depends on the store. Here's how it works. 1. Use a Affirm virtual card to buy a product. 2. Return the item to the store. 3. The refund goes back to Affirm. 4. Your loan is reduced or canceled. You usually don't receive cash, it adjusts your loan, not your wallet. If you specifically need cash, Affirm is not the right tool. Look instead for personal loan apps, salary advance apps, bank small loans, credit card cash advance if you have one. Affirm is built for buying goods, not cash access. Always read Affirm's terms before using it. If this video helped you understand how Affirm works, hit like and subscribe. And drop a comment if you want a beginner guide on how to get approved on Affirm or how Affirm payments work. See you in the next video.